I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Now it's on to thinking of some other way this half pipe can change form and give us a couple things at once.
Put the hockey net in between.
Then you've got boards. There's been talk about flipping it up on its end and making it into a hockey backboard. It would save our windows.
Definitely.
We've had some really close calls with the hockey ball going through the windows.
Oh God.
And that seems purpose-built for that.
What if we build custom hockey nets into there?
The decks where you land when you come out of the pipe, they're kind of look like hockey nets.
So we would be pretty much a ½ inch shy of a regulation net.
So then maybe we just build this additional box as a hockey net.
So we've got a bit of a hodgepodge project here. We've got a skate park, but in the ends, we've got hockey nets. Anything else?
Needs a bar.
We got back to the house the next morning and really started to finalize the half-pipe living room. One of the cool things I think about the skate park yesterday is all the color that like the graffiti and the tagging and all that kind of stuff pulls out. I've never done any graffiti type stuff myself, but I met a guy named Kaylee at the skateboard park the other day and shared our digits, and he's gonna drop by. This is essentially a blank canvas for him.
We're just doing the divide and conquer thing again. I'm gonna throw some casters on to try to get this whole thing rolling. Maybe we could skate the whole thing.
So right now I'm just building the platforms that are going to go on either end of the half pipe. They're also going to serve as hockey nets for our hockey game.
How's this going?
Pretty good. So this is going to be the net. We're going to have to wrap the entire thing in plywood, paint it.
A long way to go before those guys get here, for sure. There seems to be a lot of crossover in our equipment. Like we're wearing hockey helmets for skateboarding. So all that stuff is just gonna go into that closet, be nice and tidy, close the door.
Kaylee came and brought some spray paint.
I guess this guy is quite a decent artist, so we're gonna see if we can enlist him to give our half pipe a little bit of artistic flair.
So I'm just gonna just kind of get a feel for it.
He actually got us involved in the painting.
Okay, so why don't I take the S?
Okay.
And then you each pick a K or an A.
Which I was very kind of nervous to do at the beginning.
It's a little nerve-wracking to try to spray paint with somebody who's never done it before. That looks good though, man. But they did a really good job, man. They were really good and enthusiastic, so that was cool.
I'm really glad I tried it. It was really fun, and the more you do stuff, you can see stuff like that, you don't really realize how involved it is and how hard it is until you try it. Make or break for the whole thing, man.
This is where you can totally ruin it or save it.
Ruin it.
Oh my God!
Kaylee was a really, really good teacher, has a great attitude, and helped us do this cool artwork on the side. It was awesome.
They're looking like some pretty cool graffiti artists here.
Probably one of the best things I've done in a long time.
That's awesome, man. I was so nervous to do that, and now I love that. That's really
splash of color too.
Yeah, so do you want to try the other side then?
Absolutely.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it.
So we transformed the half pipe into hockey mode. Just in time for the boys to show up. The half pipe living room was just as fun in hockey mode, with perfect sized nets and boards.